Before we hop into this video, you know what you need to do. You know. Subscribe. Good morning, y'all. Isis Simone here. I am back. Today I'm bringing y'all an edges video. A lot of people have been asking me like, oh, how do you do your edges? What do you use? So I am coming back on camera today and I'm about to give y'all a quick video on how to do that. I'm also dropping a YouTube video today because I've been missing in action and inconsistent. It's been all kinds of stuff going on behind the scenes that's been playing a part in why I haven't been recording. And while we're on camera right now, I'm going to address one of the issues. I think that one of the things, or I know that one of the things that's been keeping me off camera is my skin. I don't know what's been going on with me, and I'll talk more about that in my YouTube video, but my skin has never looked like this. So this was something new for me and like a little traumatic. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, what is going on with my skin? You know what I mean? So I went to see a professional, and I have like a hyperpigmentation issue is what's going on. And, you know, so got connected with her, and yeah, so we on the road to clear skin. So that's one thing. Like my skin just took a turn, and I don't know. It's just, I'm not feeling how it's looking, but you think I'm gonna allow that to stop me from recording a day? But no, that will no longer be a thing. And then I can't stand fake stuff, so it's like raw, real. I can't, ain't no pretending this way. You feel what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm gonna drop a video today about what's been going on with me, what's to come, and all that. But today we're gonna focus on the edges. So let me take the scarf off. Oh, this is what we're working with. This is what we get. Okay. So I was on set yesterday, so these edges are actually from yesterday, just, you know, the swoops. But today I think I'm going to do a little bit more dramatic ones. I didn't want them for film yesterday. And when I'm speaking of film, so I'm a part of an upcoming movie. It's due to drop in the fall, and it's called Sometimes She Bites. I play a detective, and yeah, so while on set yesterday, I didn't want my edges to be too dramatic, so. But we're going to do dramatic ones today. So what I'm gonna do off camera is I'm going to clean the old product out of my edges. So one thing I do is I do not put more product on the old product, if that makes sense. Like these, I know some people, when they do their edges, they'll be like, okay, you know, let me just put more. No, that's how you get the white, the crust, the dust. I don't like that. I start fresh every day. So I'll get a washcloth, warm water, and I'll just, you know, get all that old product out of my edges and start with clean edges. So I'll be back. Give me a minute. Okay, so now that my edges are clean, just took warm water and got all that product out, this is what we looking like, okay? This is what we are looking like. So this is how we're gonna start. Now, only thing I'm using is this. I'm using foam today and a little rat tail comb. And with water. I like to mix water in too. So I'm gonna wet my edges first. I'll get a little water. A little water in there. Okay, that's good. Okay. My braids are, I had my braids in for about 4.5, going on 5 weeks. I'm like, I did a good job. Kennedy on the hair, by the way. She did a wonderful job, my girl. Okay, now, I'm gonna start with about that much foam. And I'm gonna start here on the sideburn pieces. Put it like that, and then, like that. I just kind of start just swooping. Swoop-de-doo. And then just see where I need to add more. Can y'all see that? So I'm not gonna do too much talking about it. That's why I'm recording the video so y'all can just see. 'Cause I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna do a YouTube video today, like I was telling y'all before, about what's been going on with me. I don't like leaving y'all hanging either, because I get inboxes all the time like, where you been, where you in, your man, it's been months, you ain't posting a YouTube video, you ain't been posting like that. I see you got, you know, I post here and there about, you know, the movies I'm a part of, but you know, y'all don't even, I haven't even been fully posting about that either. And a lot of people say, I see you also dropped a song, you know what I mean? It's been getting a ton of great feedback. I'm so excited about it, and I'm so glad that y'all like it. You know what I mean? Because I was being transparent in that song as well. But, yeah, that was from the heart. So, I haven't been fully transparent. No, what I was meaning to say, I was transparent on the song. So I'm so happy that, you know, it's been getting great buzz, and y'all messing with it. But I haven't even got to talk about that or share too much about that with y'all, is what I'm saying, to bring y'all on that journey, and I want to do all of that. But yeah, it's been some stuff going on behind the scenes. My 9 to 5 is on my nerve, so we got to talk about all of that. My skin is acting up, like I was saying before. I have a hyperpigmentation issue. I also have an anemia issue. And one of the things that I do, is, baby, get that ice, and I will sit in front of the heater and let it blast all on me. Don't do that, because this is what will happen to your face. You look like this. When I'm in a car and I got a cup of ice or whatever, and see, when I don't really do it in the car, but as far as eating ice in the car, I did though, not as much anymore, but what I'm getting at is, either way, I'm always cold, so I'm always blasting the heat. So the heat is always blasting up in my face. So, and this is what happened. When I went to, like I told you, I went to see a professional. She's like, yeah, I already knew I had a hyperpigmentation issue. When I was I'm looking at my face, I'm like, my skin is so discolored. Like, what the hell? You know, and I felt like that was playing a part on why I didn't want to be on camera. But I'm like, no, you don't let nothing stop you from being on camera. You know what I'm saying? Somebody need to see this. Somebody else is also going through this and just probably don't want to post about it. And rightfully so, because the internet, folks on the internet are mean. Mean folks. So I get it. But you gonna catch all of this because it's really fuck y'all. Excuse me. Excuse my language to my aunties and my mom's close friends. I don't want to be disrespectful, y'all, but I'm just saying, F them people that feel that way. Y'all can get all this. See, you see what I mean about I don't be knowing which direction I'm going, but we're gonna get it together. Have a little more running. Just get the foam, mix it in with some water. But yeah. So you see how the sideburns have already dried up? Now let's see what I want to do with these, because I don't even know yet. But yeah, so I figured, what's today? Today is Easter Sunday. Happy Easter to the folks that celebrate. So you kind of just let them do their own thing. You see how they just like that want to do that? And my hair, it be a little unruly. Like when I try to sometimes want to make it go another way, it curls back a whole another way. So I'm like, I'm going to fight with you. I just let you do what you're going to do. Boo. I'm going to let you do what you want to do. Now the middle part, this middle piece, I always like to give her a swirl. Do I want it that thick though? I don't know. See? I be all over the place in videos. But y'all, like I said, y'all gonna catch this raw real, okay? And you gotta be yourself, because why not? Why wouldn't you want to be yourself? Be yourself. Be yourself. Nobody can be you like you, okay? Nobody can be you like you. Why would you want to be anybody else anyway? What you want to do? Girl, because I don't know. We ain't communicating right now. I don't know what you're trying to do now. Okay, yeah. Shoot, let me hurry up because the video already long and mug. A little more water. Clearly, y'all see I can't talk and do it at the same time. It's a little difficult, honey. I'm trying to focus. So, and you just kind of let her fall wherever she gonna lay. And then we're gonna take y'all and bring y'all over here. Swoopy doop y'all right on over here. Yeah. And y'all can come this way. Come this way. Please and thank you. Come this way is what I said. Girl, what are you doing? But yeah, y'all. My bad, I can't talk. It's kind of hard to talk and do it at the same time. And do it on camera, period. You know, when I'm here by myself, I'm just, you know, and the camera ain't rolling, it's a little different. Girl, it still be kind of, it'll still be a minute. That's what I'm getting at, but. Yeah, let's put that over there. Bring you, I want you to, a little shorter. Yeah, I think I want you to be more like that. A little more like that. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Half of the problem is I be wanting to be perfect. I need to chill out. Just let them do what they gonna do. And I'm just like, just using water and re-wetting the areas I've already foamed. Not that big swoop. I'm gonna take you. And when I say perfect, like, what's this doing? Girl, you were supposed to be in there with that now. What are you doing? Out of order. See what I'm saying? This video won't be long. Oh well. I'm gonna mess around and have to post it on YouTube. Child. Come on. Come on. But see, I don't want it that far out, though. That's the thing. Okay, y'all. Like that. Like you. And you. But yeah, I'm back. And I know y'all have heard that before, but I'm serious. There was just so much mad stuff going on. Especially health-wise. I just want to be in order and being exhausted because with the anemia issue, I'd be so tired. I'd be so tired. Be at work. By the time I'm off work, I come home and I pass out. Okay? Pass out. And I didn't even want that like that. But you know what? We're going to just let it be. We're going to leave you right there. Because I wanted it to, I feel like it's a little, I don't know. We're going to let them be dramatic. Let's just let them do their thing. Let them do their thing, girl. We're just going to let them do their thing. There we go. Come on, swoop-de-doo. There you have it. We are all done. What I'm gonna do now, even though they dry, what I'm gonna do now is still put a scarf on them. Wet these a little bit. Put a scarf. Don't start acting up. Look, it said leave me alone. Put a scarf on them. Tie it down, and I'll be back. I'm gonna tie it down. I think I'm gonna go do my makeup and then come back. So see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, I am back. It has been some time. I put a scarf on the edges to lay them down, and I went and made breakfast. I did a little tidying up. I did a little makeup, a little foundation, filled in the eyebrows a bit, eyeliner, little lip liner, lip gloss. We are not gonna do any lashes today. So let's take this scarf off and see how the edges are looking. Okay, that's what we got. Look, that's a little tangle right there. We can use a little oil. Let's take a little bit of this, what I got left over of this Wild Growth oil. Put it on here. Put a little bit in my hand. Put some in my hair. And I like to pull these first couple of braids back to keep them out my face for today. So I wear it like this, but I want them out my face today. What you doing? Eyebrow don't want to act right. Okay. So we're gonna do. Don't want to do these. I don't want to do these. Yeah, no, we're gonna do these. Yeah. So I just take this like this, and I literally just tie it in a knot, and then do another one. Yeah. And this is the look. Now I got a few errands to run, and I'm going to record that video today like I told y'all, and that'll be up. So once you see this, it'll probably already be up. So see y'all in a minute. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay? We are getting together here, you and I. So subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you soon.